Hi guys, I signed up for SampleSource.com where you can try free products and they send it to you. So this is what I got inside my box. I'll just pull it out one by one. I got the Colgate Optic White Express White, whiter in 3 days. I got a small little sample of that. Let's see what else. And this was all free. You sign up for it. I got a sample of Truvia, which I don't really like sweeteners like that. I like either honey or real sugar or sugar in the raw. So I'm going to try it and let you guys know what I think. I also got the 7th generation baby free and clear wipes for sensitive skin. So I'm going to try that on Tobias. Probably put it in my purse so I can have it. I got the Fructis Full and Plush in shower shampoo and conditioner, and then a blowout sample. So those are good. I like to put these in my travel bag or when I go camping, so that way I don't have to bring a whole product, my whole big products. And then I also got the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Brazilian Smooth. So I got a sample of that as well. And this one's a flat iron express treatment. I got some coupons for $1 off for the Garnier, and then I got a sample of the hair, skin, and nails gummies, and it has a $1 coupon on the back. I can't wait to try this because I've been wanting to buy the hair, skin, and nails. I mean, my hair is really thick and it's really healthy, but my nails seem to just be brittle, so I'm pretty excited to try it. So it's got biotin, antioxidants, and vitamin C and E. So I'll let you guys know what I think about that. I also got some Breathe Right strips. As you guys know, I snore. Yes, I do, and I'm working on getting my snoring problem fixed. But I got a sample of it with $1 off. I tried the ones from the Dollar Tree, but they didn't really work too well, so I'm gonna try it tonight and see what my husband thinks. I got a coupon for $1 off the Optic White and $2 off the 7th generation wipes. And then last but not least, I'm gonna try the Nature's Path Organic Pumpkin Flax Granola. So I'm going to try that and see how it works and if I like it. I mean, how it works, hello. But anyways, I'm going to try it, see what I like, and if I like it, then I'm going to go ahead and buy it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be on the lookout for some more videos I have coming up. And if I haven't got back to your comments, please be patient with me. I've just been so busy. I haven't forgot about you, and I plan on doing them all today or catching up on them as soon as possible. I'll see you guys later. Bye.